Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, we draw a big tree beside the house. This is the root of the tree. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. Red color. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow to color the wall of the house. Yellow color. We use blue color to color the bottom of the house. We use orange to color the door of the house. We use pink color to color the window. Here, we use green color to color the tree which beside the house. Green color. This is brown color. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.